guarantee you've been on the internet and saw that Macon Georgia is one of the best places to invest in real estate in 2024. You're right. The Southeast is exploding. We have a low cost of living that's starting to go up. It's not going to just be Macon, Georgia. I want to tell you some surrounding cities that actually will increase cash flow, have better tenants, and your appreciation is actually going to go up almost 3x the national average. If you're going to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars, please, you're going to probably need to go a little bit outside of YouTube, get a mentor, because investing in real estate doesn't build you wealth, it grows your wealth. And I want you to understand that, because buying real estate just to buy real estate, to think it's going to cash flow right off the bat and it's going to pay all your bills, you're going to take a lot of risks. As of this morning, $153,000 is the average home price in Macon. And in the last 12 calendar months, appreciation has gone up 3.9%, and the average days on market for a home is 27. It's a very, very good market, and you saw low cost of living. But the thing is, the job markets in our local area are booming. I'm right now, the recording of this video, helping people from 11 different states relocate to the Middle Georgia area, and only 3 of those families are coming here for jobs. The others are to escape California, escape Colorado, escape New York. I even have somebody from New Jersey, Massachusetts, Texas, because our cost of living is so dang cheap. And that is the main reason people are flooding here. But also, we have a phenomenal job market. And if you're not aware of the local Middle Georgia area, yes, Macon is the largest city. There's a little over 150,000 people in Bibb County, which is the county that Macon's in. But I want to give you a little secret. Hey, what's going on? By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Luke, and this is Shadow. And Shadow would love if you go to the description below and book a call with me if you like to move to our local area, help people buy, sell, and invest all over the United States to be able to come and live here in Middle Georgia. So if you'd like to get on a Zoom call, meet my dog, let's do it. Just south, about 30 minutes, you go into what's called Houston County. It's the county that borders Bibb County. You have Warner Robins, Centerville, Bon Air, Kathleen, Perry, and Elko. Cities that the appreciation is absolutely booming. And the thing is, Robins Air Force Base, the largest industrial complex in the entire state of Georgia that employs more people than any other company in the state of Georgia, is right outside of Warner Robins. It touches Warner Robins. It's called Warner Robins Air Force Base. Robins Air Force Base. So the job market for that's exploding. We're getting 3 new wings, 3,500 more active duty soldiers are coming, and the base is almost 90% civilian. So the local market is flooded with great tenants. And to just let you know, the average home price in Warner Robins, $252,000. But guess what? The appreciation in the last 12 months, 7.2%. And compare that to the average in the United States. Home price, $342,000, but only an appreciation of 3.1%. So just in Warner Robins, for example, you're seeing a 3.1% with the national average compared to a 7.2% average in Warner Robins, which is just south of Macon. I have real estate investors calling me all the time, Luke, I want to invest in Macon. Luke, I want to invest in Macon. Yeah, I understand that. It's a bigger city located on the map, but people do not realize just south 30 minutes, you have a place with phenomenal tenants. Home prices are appreciating at 2 to 3 times the national average, and the home prices are not bad. The majority of people that I help invest in real estate actually invest in Perry, Georgia, Bon Air, Georgia, or Kathleen, Georgia. Go take a look at those areas, and it will show you why. Every single home is within 10 to 25 minutes of the Air Force Base, and you have people that will take care of the properties. But the issue is, industry, it's booming in our local area, and there's so many new jobs with so many new places coming to our area that people are flocking in from all over the United States to be able to live in our area because the home prices are phenomenal, the pay is great, and for investors like you and me, the tenants are awesome. I do not like going over to a client's home and seeing the place destroyed because we're getting ready to swap out tenants or going to sell a property. And the thing is, it's not usually the case in the local area, especially if you're looking to Bon Air, Kathleen, or Perry. You're going to be able to get great tenants. But what's even better than great tenants? Making sure that there is no vacancy. The last home that I put on the market for rental, we had 14 applications and we got somebody in there within 48 hours. And to let you know, for the deposit, we had 1 month's rent, and then we had a security deposit that was separate, another month's rent up front with a 12-month signed agreement on the lease, okay? You in this area can really charge whatever you see fit for the rent. Now, average rent prices for, let's say, a 3.2 in Perry, Georgia, that's a 1,900 square foot home, we're looking at $2,100 to $2,200 per month with the average mortgage rate with 20% down. I know these numbers because I just helped an investor run these yesterday. His mortgage payment, after everything is said and done, it's going to be $2,000 per month. So cash flow, he's only looking at somewhere between $100 to $200 a month in cash flow. It's not that good with these crazy 6% plus interest rates. However, the difference, imagine this. It's an election year. They've already came out, the Fed, saying that they're going to drop interest somewhere between 3 to 6 points. They've come out and promised that. In the current office, I don't want to get political on my YouTube channel, but they're going to lower interest rates to make you like them more, okay? That's just how it is. That happens every single election year. Interest rates are going to go down. When interest rates go down, buyer demand goes up. Supply is staying the same. Builders are building as fast as they can. So what does that do? That increases the price of homes. So when you invest here in the local area, forget the 7.2%. I'm seeing projections as high as 8 to 12% appreciation year over year within the next 12 to 18 months. Now, is it sustainable to hold that? No, but the problem is, and it kind of makes me sad because this used to be just a nice little southern town where you could just walk around everywhere and enjoy the place. It's going to turn into a city because of all the industry that's coming here. But home prices will only continue to go up and builders can't build quick enough for the demand, which again just means appreciation is going to just continue to rise. So, to be able to give a recap, this video is not teaching you how to invest in real estate. That's something you need to do on your own or book a call with me. I'd love to be able to have a conversation. But this is to show you, because I get so many calls asking about investing in Macon, Georgia. I think you're sleeping on an opportunity that you just don't know about, and I probably just broke the internet for those that are going to watch this, because this is a secret little honey hole where the economy protects the bubble. People have to work here. It's outside of a military installation. The government will always pay their employees. They're not going to stop paying their employees unless our government shuts down. So you're getting a few key things. Great tenants that will actually pay and take care of your property. Number 2, homes that appreciate at 2 to 3x the national. And then number 3, homes where you can invest anywhere between $250,000 and $350,000. That's the sweet spot right now for rental properties in our local area, and not have to pay those national prices. And it's a win-win when it comes to real estate investing. Hey, I know this is probably not enough information for you to make a decision if this area is good to invest. Go to the description below, book a call with me. I'd love to be able to give you an even deeper dive on our local area to see whether or not it makes sense to put money in our economy. I think you're going to have a phenomenal portfolio if you start purchasing in our area. I'd love to be able to serve you on your investment endeavors. I'll catch you later.